Alright, so what's up, y'all?
Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'll be fixing my grandma's laptop and installing Linux on it. So let's get started.
My bad, I made that audio like 5 days ago. And this was the setup. First I had to take out my grandma's files from the computer and then I could get onto other stuff.
Alright. I think I got every file I needed, so let's just...
I first unscrewed and pried off the covers for the RAM and hard drive.
Alright, I finally managed to pry it off. So let's see what's inside here.
For some reason I took off the LCD screen, then I realized that I can't take off the whole thing because the Wi-Fi antennas are there.
Not much happened after that. I just took out the hinges, took out the fucking SSD for some reason, then I put it back later with water.
After that I had some corruption issues and with the fact that I forgot to turn off security boot, but after that I was good. And after a lot of waiting, Linux was finally installed.
Let's go! Now, I'm technically done.
Shades on Apple with the glasses, bro say cause he a savage. So many dead, so many